Good evening. Homeowners in a Lexington neighborhood are fighting back. KU has resumed plans to cut down a number of trees.
Homeowners were out early this morning protesting the tree removal program. That protest ultimately leading to the arrest of one woman. Chelsea Jones has the details and reaction now that the trees are gone. First on Fox.
This pile of mud used to be a flowering crabapple tree. Homeowners in the area gathered this morning protesting, trying to save this tree and others, but that ultimately failed. One woman was even arrested. Homeowners tell me they are frustrated with Kentucky Utilities for not working with them to find a different solution. Here is what they had to say.
Ma'am, why did you decide to kind of stand in front of that tree?
Because of civil disobedience.
Laura Zimmerman arrested for refusing to move. This morning, she and others tried to save this flowering crabapple tree from being chopped down. Despite disapproval from the mayor, city council, and homeowners, Kentucky Utilities decided to proceed with its tree removal process. Company representatives say the trees are a hazard to power lines.
So it's important for us to protect the safety of our workers that are busy there or going to be there when we have to do work on this system.
But homeowners disagree, saying these trees were far from power poles and too short to interfere with lines above.
There are people who've lost 20, 30, 40 trees in their yards.
Diane Atchison organized today's protest. She says the tree removal will take away the beauty of the neighborhood.
There are so many issues involved: stormwater runoff, erosion, flooding, wildlife, loss of property values.
Protesters were determined to stay as long as they could. When police told them to leave, Laura Zimmerman chose to stay, her neighbors admiring her bravery.
Everyone does care, but it's a lot to go to jail. I mean, it's a commitment. People have responsibilities. They have children, animals, parents maybe that they take care of.
Lexington Mayor Linda Gorton says she's disappointed with KU's actions. She called for a 30-day moratorium on the tree removal process, but KU refused.
This is one manifestation of how angry people are about what is being done and how it's being done, and the fact that there really doesn't seem to be any consideration for what the public is thinking about this and how they are thinking about it.
Now, Kentucky Utilities representatives are standing by their actions. They say the tree removal process is to keep customers safe and the power on. They say there are plans to replant trees, but they did not give a timeline as to when. In Lexington, Chelsea Jones for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Laura Zimmerman, the woman who was arrested today, is charged with third-degree criminal trespassing. She is due in court tomorrow.